This vlog is going to be all over the place.
Good morning.
Got on the wrong freaking train. Yeah, I'm about to pay off my student loans. We're about to have a party. Peeps, this is what I have so far. I'm definitely not done with it. There's so much more that I want to do. Any spaces I need to put some more words and quotes, but I think this looks pretty good so far. Put up my little twinkle lights. Let's turn them on so we can see how they look like, and I love it. So freaking cute. I'm really happy with this one. Look at my chair. I can't wait for the day where I have my own little cast chair like that with my name on it. Hey guys, what is up? I'm getting ready. Well, I'm done getting ready, but putting finishing touches. Going to my friend's Galentine's Day brunch. I've never been to a Galentine's Day event, anything, ever. Put my nose ring. So I'm just happy that I'm feeling well enough to actually leave the house and go somewhere. I'm excited to meet new people and hang out. She lives kind of close to me, so I don't have that much of a commute on the subway, but I am running a tad behind. I'm just gonna put my lipstick on and then head out. I have my hair back like this because I'm trying to just stretch out my curls a little bit. I was gonna put it up, but I don't know, I changed my mind. So by the way, I have these really pretty lipsticks here that were sent to me as a thank you from Ulta when I worked on the Frida Kahlo collection with them. And the one I've been obsessed with, like using all the time, is this one. It's called Sepia. I think it's so pretty. Camera's making it look kind of dark. Favorite combo lately is that lipstick with this lip liner from Absolute. A14 brown. I line my lips with this one, and then I like to go in with this lip liner right here. This one is from Maybelline. This is part of their Color Sensational collection. It's called Nude Whisper. And that's it. That's the color that I like. Her theme is pink top or dress, and initially I was like, oh damn, I'm gonna have to buy something because I am not a pink person. But then I remembered I bought this top right here for headshots, and I only wore it once. I wore it once last year and I never wore it again, so I figured, okay, great, I go wear it for today. But it's a little bit tricky because it has like this knotted look at the bottom, and this part is actually open, so I had to put a little safety pin right here because I don't want my popping out.
I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody.
What's up? I'm finally back home. You guys, I got on the wrong freaking train. I got on the D and I found myself in the Bronx, but luckily I was one stop in the Bronx, so I just had to get off, cross over, go down, and then transfer. But I had so much fun at the Galentine's Day brunch. Everyone was so nice, so cool. It was very chill, and it was just a good time. So I didn't vlog that much while I was there because we were just so into like our conversations, and that's when you know you're having a really good time. The only times we were on our phones was when we were just like taking pictures and tagging Fresh & Co, because they're the ones that supplied the food, and Drink Marcel that supplied the wine. So we took pictures, put it up on stories, and tagged the brands. But other than that, we were just like eating and talking and bonding, and I'm so happy that I went. But I'm so tired now. I can't believe I freaking got on the wrong train. I just want to get into my comfy clothes. have a cup of tea, put this hair up, take these damn contacts off. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my left eye is so freaking red. I just cannot wear contacts for too long because the chronic dry eye just starts kicking in. But it was a good time, and now it's time for me to settle in and work on my lines for my audition. But it was a good day, and I'm happy that I went. I don't know where I left off with the vlog, but I am trying to finish prepping the video for tomorrow, which is my entire skincare collection. I've been sitting here for the past hour just trying to link all the products that I talk about because it's a lot. I was such a butt face yesterday as the video was uploading. I was like, I think I missed something. Like, I don't know what it was that made me check, but I was like, did I include the clips of my favorite witch hazel and the dermaplaning kit and my clay mask that I like? Because I mentioned them in the video, but I'm like, did I show the clips where I'm talking about it? And sure enough, I checked and I didn't. So I completely freaking left out the footage. So I'm going to insert that footage here. And then when you're done with this vlog, you can actually go and watch the entire full video. But good morning, Rosie.
Good morning.
Had your breakfast?
Yes.
Did you make a mess?
Huh?
Did you make a mess?
Yes.
Did you clean up your mess?
No.
My little helper.
This.
What are you doing, Rosie?
Take a picture of this.
Okay.
Look.
It's okay.
Well, I have to get at a good angle though, so.
Hi, what's up? Sorry for the lighting, it's pretty dim in here. It's like almost 6 o'clock. I have to run out. I have a production meeting today. Back in the city, it was really nice to be in Long Island with family and spend my birthday there and be there for my nephew's birthday. And as productive as I told myself I was going to be, it's really, really hard with the kids because they just want to hang out and play and just spend time with you. So of course I didn't get a chance to do anything that I said I was gonna get done. I spent most of today just trying to catch up, so it was a lot of computer work, getting ready for my taxes, creating some social media graphics for a mini social media campaign that I had. Got a workout in. I'm so proud of myself. I did some editing. I'm determined to get this freaking vlog up today because I missed last week, which was when I wanted to upload, but I had an audition to prep for, and you guys already know that comes first. And so I'm trying to like just gather up this vlog. My goal is when I come back from my meeting, I can finish it up and have it up by tonight. I was thinking after my meeting I would go to Sephora and pick up my birthday gift, because I never do that. Like, I just forget, you know? Then I was like, I just want to come home. I don't want to be out in the world. It's so late. My meeting's at 7. So by the time I'm done, it's probably going to be like 8:15 or something like that. So I'll probably just come home for that. My mom got me a lotto ticket and some scratch offs for my birthday. You guys, I was like 2 numbers off from being a freaking millionaire. She had me like so hyped. I was like, yeah, I'm about to pay off my student loans. We're about to have a party. And I was 2 numbers off. I won $25 and that's it. But $25 is more than, you know, anything I've ever won in terms of those things anyway, because I don't buy them. My friend Miriam put me onto this really great website that also has a book and CDs. It's to help like learn an accent or a dialect, which I really need, because you guys, I can't tell you how many times I have gone out for parts where the character is a recent immigrant from whatever country and I have to speak with an accent, and most of the time is Mexican. I know, right? You would think Dominican, since that's what everyone thinks I am in my daily life anyway, but it's Mexican and I'm not very good with the Mexican accent. So I figured maybe I will get that instead and put my money there so I can practice, you know, the main accents that I go out for. This vlog is going to be all over the place because it is a combination of whatever I filmed in January, whenever I left off at the last vlog, and then whatever I've done already for the month of February, the shortest month, which isn't much since I was sick. Whatever. it is what it is. This is the journey, right? Not everything's exciting all the damn time. Gotta figure out what the hell I'm gonna wear. I think it's pretty cold outside. Let me check the temperature really quick though. I also gotta get my nails done. They are so crusty. I had to cut them when I was in Long Island and file them down. I was not happy with them at all. It's gonna be pretty nippy. Hi, it's the next day. I did not vlog when I got back from the meeting last night, and I also didn't edit even though I really wanted to edit. We ended up watching Better Call Saul because we are obsessed and we love it. And now I'm just sitting down to edit. It's 2:13. It's been a very early day. I got up at like 6:30, I think it was, or something like that. I did my morning pages. I'm still behind on this week and I need to finish reading the chapter and then do the assignments. And I did a little bit of tax prep, which I absolutely hate, and now I have to go look for some receipts and I don't know where I put them. Tomorrow is my true final meeting for the short. I'm meeting with the director to go through the shot list to make sure we have a plan for all of the scenes and insert shots and all that stuff that we need to get. And then we shoot next week. I can't believe it. It like flew by. This is so crazy.
Somebody wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have
Done with my little meeting, my nails done, and I'm walking back home because it's a nice, cool, brisk day. So why the hell not? I know this vlog was super random. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.